and welcome to Better News Special Report. I'm Cheryl. Well, there still seems to be a lot of confusion as to whether group polls and virtual group polls are legal or illegal.
Now, we've previously touched upon videos about doing virtual group polls here on YouTube, which it seems that has stopped, which we knew that was illegal as well.
Are you sure about that? So I started with the FBI in Las Vegas, and here's what they said. I'm going to call the FBI in Las Vegas, Nevada. The phone number is 702-385-1281, and anyone can call. Here we go.
Hello, you've reached the Las Vegas division of the FBI. Our answering service has changed, so please listen carefully to the following selections. Your call may be recorded. If your call is an emergency that requires an immediate law enforcement response, please hang up and dial 911 or your local police or sheriff's department. If you would like to speak to the operator, please press 0 now. Please hold.
Hi, my name is Cheryl. I am from Wisconsin, and I just have a couple questions. I don't know if you can answer them for me, or if there's an agent available. Do you have a second?
Give me 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Thanks for holding. So what's your question, ma'am?
So, if you haven't heard or seen, there's some YouTubers that are in Las Vegas, and they're doing like group polls where they get a bunch of people together. They all put $100 into a slot machine, and then they split the, split the winnings, or, they lose their money. I was wondering if those group polls are legal or illegal, if you know.
That will be something that you have to talk to the casino security, because that's a private property and they manage their own gambling issues.
Okay.
It's best to talk to the casinos about that or the gaming commissioner.
Okay. Do you have the phone number for the gaming commissioner, or no? I should just...
Let's see here. 702?
Yep.
486?
Okay.
2000.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So then I called the Nevada Gaming Commission, and here's how that went. And their number is 702-486-2000.
Good morning, Gaming Controller. How may I direct your call?
I have some questions. My name is Cheryl, and I'm from Wisconsin. I have some questions about some of the YouTubers in Las Vegas are doing like group polls, and I was wondering if I could talk to someone to find out if they're legal or if they're illegal.
Okay, let me transfer you to our enforcement division.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Gaming Control Board Enforcement.
Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I'm from Wisconsin. And there's some YouTubers. I just have a couple questions. There's a couple YouTubers that are in Las Vegas, and they're doing something called like a group poll, where they bring 20 people together, and everyone puts $100 into a slot machine. So my question is that legal or illegal, if you know?
Get a little bit more information and write some notes down. It's going to have all the answers for you.
Great.
Okay, I'm just going to put you on a brief hold, and I'll transfer you to the agent. Give me 1 moment, okay?
Thank you.
Of course. Back to you.
Okay. Can you call me back on this number? This is just a better number for me.
Do that, then.
And what is her name?
His name's going to be Jeremiah Tipton.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Of course. You have a nice day.
You too. Then Senior Agent Tippin got back to me via text. And here's the text. Hello, this is Senior Agent Tipton with the Nevada Gaming Control Board. Concerning your question, if people 21 and over want to give you money to gamble for them, that's perfectly fine. Doesn't matter if they're out of state or whatever, as long as the gambling is done in Nevada. Have a good day. I responded, is it okay if they give me money over PayPal or Cash App? I wouldn't charge any fees, so I'm not a bookie, and everyone is 21. They responded, that would be fine. I responded, "Can you explain how it doesn't violate the Federal Wire Act of 1961? The Gaming Commission in Nevada responded, "That specifically prohibits the use of wire communications to place sports wagers across state lines. Your question is concerning slot machines. If you are concerned, you can certainly contact the Attorney General's office and ask for their opinion on the matter. Have a good day." I responded, "Thank you so much." Then he referred me to the state of Wisconsin Attorney General's office because I'm in Wisconsin. And here's how that went. And the number is 608-266-1221.
Thank you for calling the Wisconsin Department of Justice Office of the Attorney General. In an effort to expedite your call, please listen carefully to the following options.
The best place to direct you for any gambling-related questions would be to the Division of Gambling in the Department of Administration, and I can transfer you there.
Oh, okay. And what's their number? Just so if I just get disconnected, what's their number?
It's 608-270-2555.
Okay. And they're the Department of what again?
It's the Division of Gambling in the Department of Administration.
Oh, the Division of Gambling in your department. I mean, or in the Attorney General's office?
No, the Department of Administration.
Okay, Department of Administration. Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Do you want me to transfer you?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay. All right, here you go.
Okay.
Division Gaming, this is John.
Hi, John. My name is Cheryl, and I just have a couple questions, basically about gambling in the state of Wisconsin. So, if I'm from Wisconsin and I have some friends from out of state, and they want to give me $100 to go play, let's say, at Potawatomi in Milwaukee, and I have 5 friends, they each give me $500, and because they're out of state, they are going to give me the money via PayPal or Venmo, and then I take that money. I don't charge for it. They're over 21, and I go into Potawatomi and I put all our money in, like a group poll, wondering if that's legal or illegal, if you know.
Interesting.
Yeah, isn't it interesting?
I don't see where there would really be anything illegal about it. A person can go and wager money from whatever source they have at a casino,
Right.
regardless of whether it's on behalf of someone else. The only time you would run into regulations on that specifically might be in sports betting. Somebody might consider that to be a proxy wager. If someone has, from out of state said, go to Potawatomi, make a bet on this team, put in X amount of dollars, and they couldn't otherwise do it, so you're doing it for them, that would be a proxy bet, technically illegal.
That's right. That's what Nevada said too, as far as individual states regarding sports betting. That's a different ballgame because that falls under the Wire Act, and that's the Wire Act.
And they're asking you to make a specific bet, where here, you're going to go play slots, it sounds like, which is not really the same thing at all. It's
right.
You're going to gamble. They happen to give you some money to do it. I would not, I would be surprised if that hasn't happened before, and you're just the first person to actually ask if it's okay.
Okay. And then, and what if, like, my dad, who also lives in Milwaukee, he's 84, he can't make it. If he gives me $100 in cash, it's still okay as well to do that if he wants me to put it in a slot machine. Okay.
Yeah, again, slot machines, it doesn't really matter your source of funds. Yeah.
Okay. And as long as they're 21, it's legal. And as long as I'm not charging. Now, if I would be charging, let's say I'm charging my dad $10 to do it, that would be, then I would become a bookie, and that's illegal, correct?
Well, you could say that, but again, you can't really be a bookie for a slot machine bet. You know, there are bookies for sports bet because they would be saying go bet $10 on the Packers. You know, making a specific bet. Where this is, you're just going to go play the slot machines. It's not. They're really not actually making the bet. You know, you're doing the act of making the bet. You will get the payout, if any, from the bet. And if you give it to them, then that's between you and them.
Right.
You know, you might a casino, if you were in the casino and you were using a player's card, a casino might have an issue with if that transaction happened in the casino. So let's say you're in the casino with your dad. He says, "Here's $100. Do it on your player's card."
Right.
You know, because then you're kind of violating their rules on player points. Like you're trying to accumulate them all on one card rather than you each playing your own. People might have an issue with that, but again, that's not what we're talking about here. So
right.
I think you'd be fine.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. And you're with the Division of Administration, the Division of Gambling in Wisconsin?
Yeah, I'm the administrator for the Division of Gaming. Yeah.
Of Gaming. Okay. And
Yeah.
do you have a direct number or do you have a last name? I just...
I do. Dillett, Dillett.
And what's
And
what's your number there?
my direct line is 608-270-2533.
Great. Thank you so much. You have a great weekend.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Very interesting stuff. Every state is different. But according to the Nevada Gaming Commission and the Wisconsin Commission of Gaming, as long as you're 21, slot machine group pulls and virtual group pulls are legal. The Federal Wire Act of 1961 is referencing sports betting because each state has different laws regarding sports betting. Thanks so much for viewing. I really appreciate it. I'm working on episode 29 and that will be up in a few days. This was very interesting listening and talking to the professionals in the gaming commissions in my state and Nevada. Thanks so much. And if you're going to the casino this weekend, please gamble responsibly. Cheryl signing out for now. Bye.